In this video, we will be showing you how to replace your map sensor on your Audi Q5, located in your engine compartment. To find the map sensor on our Q5, it is located on the right side of our engine on the hose that is coming off of the throttle body. You can see that the map sensor is plugged in with a red connector. There's a tab at the top. We are just going to push on that tab and pry it out. Set that to the side, and you can see that we are being secured by two T20 Torx screws. I'll be using a ratchet and a small T20 Torx bit to get them out. Here's our first T20. And there's the second one. Now to remove the map sensor, it's as simple as giving it a little wiggle. There is a rubber seal on it, so you will want to give it a couple wiggles back and forth to make sure that you can pull it out. Now before installing any part that has a rubber gasket, I like to lubricate it a little bit. Some regular silicone paste will be good enough. When installing, you want to make sure that the connector is facing upwards. And of course, we want to start our screws in by hand, making sure that we line them up properly. Tighten them down with your ratchet. Now let's go ahead and reconnect our sensor. And once you've completed that, scan the vehicle for any fault codes, take it for a road test, and make sure nothing comes back.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.